Hey guys, we're out here in the garage today. We're going to be talking about these kayak racks I got off of Amazon. They're about 4.8 stars on Amazon at the time of recording, so they are a very fantastic product. Let me get the camera turned around and let's take a slightly closer look. All right, so these kayaks, we have two Pelican kayaks, and the racks themselves, they are 30 inches per bar on each side, so 60 inches total for the double. They do offer a single and a double on Amazon to purchase depending on what your needs are. They are black powder coated. They have a rubber coating on the bars to help the kayak stay in place better. So 60 inches total wide on ours, and they are adjustable from the ceiling. They can be adjusted anywhere from 10 inches down to 18 inches depending on your needs. We have ours above the garage door. It's pretty tight, and I kept it that way on purpose, so it just keeps storage easier for us. Your needs might be slightly different, but it is pretty tight to the ceiling there. It is slightly difficult for me to take it off and get it around the bar there. But otherwise, they are a fantastic product. I would highly recommend them. Super easy to install. Just find your studs and put your bolts directly into the studs. There's two on each bar. Here we go, that's a better look. But yeah, that's about it. Hope this review helps you out, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.